mukbang. You're going to hear baby crying in the background. You're going to hear baby whine. You're going to hear baby laugh. So just be prepared to hear the baby laugh. This morning I am eating baked barbecue chicken and some type of rice stuff. It has like broccoli, cheese, chicken in it. So I don't like this way. There we go. Yeah. This looks funny. I don't like it. Good job, Matt. So, like, I know you lying.
What's wrong? It's fine. I felt maybe ill last night. Come, tell me everything. Apparently he collapsed. He was burning up and fell into unconsciousness. He hasn't woken. Is it an infection? Are they worried he has some kind of brain tumor? Everyone is very worried. Everyone is busy. Welcome back. Where I live and work sometimes, when I'm not with the nuns.
You cleaned my room?
Stitched it myself. I'm lucky that blade stuck you where it did. A few inches difference. Even my gift has its limits.
Not your gift. Your medicine that healed me.
It's saved your life. Does it matter that much to you how?
Yes, it does. As I awakened brilliantly, I saw my wounds delving. I should have died.
Do you wish you had? You didn't when I found you. All you did was beg for the pain to stop.
I just want to know what the price will be and who will pay it.
There is an answer to that. I don't know it. The rules are unwritten. There's no way to know for sure if or when a price will be paid, or by whom. Sorry.
It's my shirt.
Where do you think you're going?
Find the man who tried to kill me.
He's already been caught. There were witnesses to your argument in the village. Loyal people who would fear the king and his deputy. Go there and confirm his guilt. You will see what I mean.
My forehead is big.
No.
The physician was asking how the king seemed before he collapsed. He says it could help him treat cancers. Was he eating? Did he seem weak? How was he sleeping? You don't know the answers, do you? Knowing a husband's well-being, that's a wife's job. And you have chosen not to be a wife. Wise. Catherine, where were you last night, Mary, when the king collapsed? I was away from the castle. I know about you and Conway. You know what told me that your infidelity was fact and not rumor. But I could pain on my son's face and he died for you. To protect the woman that he loved more than anything.
Well,
We've come to the agreement. I doubt that agreement until
let's talk about relationships, y'all.
Yes, I know about that.
And how weird relationships are.
Betrayal was the last thing that he heard before he collapsed. Oh, I'm sorry, am I upsetting you? Should I not have suggested that you did this to him because you made the mistake? This is on your head. Nostradamus always said, my son's death.
Relationships are scary.
By breaking his heart.
Because you never know when's that last time you're gonna be with that person.
I hope you can hear me. Please, wherever you are. I'm so sorry for the pain we've caused each other. I want you to
You never know, like,
please.
it's gonna rain. You just never know with or whatever, or how someone's gonna be when they're not there.
Oh goodness. And leaving this rat trap behind.
I'm sorry, y'all, I ain't ate in like 12 hours. So,
It's growing, Nate, and it will grow even more once I give it the right setting.
A brothel.
These came up when I took it. I only just had enough money for the first week's rent, but there's a group of rich merchants arriving in town.
have y'all seen that TV show Rain? Like, I'm watching it. I like it. I've seen it over and over and over again.
You didn't need to do any of this. If you get any
I would love to live back in those times. Told y'all gonna hear baby. He back there going ham.
What if I told you
Bananas, as a matter of fact.
a powerful friend? You could have tasks.
They'd have to be dangerous tasks, or they wouldn't be worth such a favor. Wait, I never asked you for this.
You don't want to.
But
I have. A man I love, not a man I have to depend on.
well,
No. A word.
is everybody ready for like fall, Christmas? I just skipped over Thanksgiving. Like, I don't really care for Thanksgiving because Thanksgiving is like, sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's cold. I started keep looking up, y'all. Like, I'm looking at myself, so I guess I'll be looking at y'all. But I'm ready for fall, ready for Halloween. My birthday is like October 23rd, so I'm like a fall baby and a Halloween baby. I should have been born on Halloween.
I'm so sorry. Is there anything I can do? There is. Going back. If these are the final thoughts, especially, just think of my next
But
Gentlemen, I'm sorry you've been kept waiting.
what's y'all's favorite season?
Informed as to our king's situation.
Like, comment.
It seems a rather magnificent stag did not check.
Comment what your favorite season is.
King and his hunting companions have been met on a chase.
Like, do you like fall? Do you like winter? Are you one of those weird people that like summer? I think people that like summer, I think they're meant for hell. Now, who the heck, my bad,
That was a fine
likes the
performance.
heat?
I don't doubt your concern for your husband is real. Your cancer is sad for your lover. If Francis dies, probably could marry you on the throne of Scotland. That sure was the first thing from your mind.
I need some drink. Hold on, y'all. Got Sprite.
I just wanted my own life. A chance to feel my heart again. I knew my leaving would never be painless.
But
You think of the betrayal of his son.
let's talk about this chicken sandwich thing. Ooh, screaming. But
I'm sorry to arrive at last, because the United news regarding Scotland.
What happened?
The Protestant rebels in Scotland are mobilizing for a
What?
against your support.
Oh, no, that leads you. Marcel's getting on my nerves scratching me.
The king
So what?
has already
I
started
said he's getting on my nerves scratching me.
wars and leaders beheaded. Bodies left behind for war. How many men do these Protestants have on their side? Our intelligence indicates that at least 1,000 are dying in war.
Hey, where's his baby nail clippers?
Explains in his
I have no idea.
He's more
The last time I seen him was when you were clipping his nails.
alliances with Catholic and Protestant lords both, fighting crumbling peace.
He's not here. He went to work.
They want Scottish
Yeah,
blood
that
on my crown.
jackass.
James
I
can't go
always
back
talk
to
about
Tide
me
any longer.
planning for shit, but when I do, you cancel the shit, so what's the point of fucking planning, you dumbass?
They can win.
Men
attention as soon as he returns.
You didn't have the nerve saying I'm being in bed all day. What did you do all day? Slept on the fucking couch. Shit.
Louis, what do I do? If I don't act, then my allies will be slaughtered and my country will be lost.
Oh, just because you were wondering, I was making a mukbang.
We'd be sailing into a civil
You making a what?
A mukbang or a mukbang.
What's that?
A video of me eating.
Alright then.
Francis, as he is right now, the king is you.
Have you seen him anywhere else?
Majesty, I received your request.
I haven't.
But I wonder if some other god might have come to court today. I have another matter in town I need to attend to.
Something to do other than your job.
It will only take a few hours.
Take Claude with you.
That wouldn't be wise. The section in town I'm headed is ill-suited for princesses.
You don't seem to be hearing me. I trust you to do this and not ask questions, which is more discretion than I trust my judgment. Hence, in part, my voice. Do you understand?
Of course, Your Majesty. Your daughter will be kept safe today and occupied outside the castle walls.
Francis is grateful, as am I.
My bad, y'all. I think that's it.
Scotland means fewer soldiers facing England, less on our borders with Navarre, Italian and German territories, and those are just our foreign threats.
The potential threats.
Mean to his country. A country I've come to love too. How can I do this? Harry, how can you not? Scotland is our home. The loyalists be protecting many are friends, some are family. If these rebels aren't stopped, we may not have a country
Well,
to protect too.
I finished everything.
Francis were to die, he thinks only England's
Sorry I didn't talk that much, y'all.
crown goes to Charles. You would have lost your chance to send help.
I would like a moment with my daughter alone.
I'm not much of a talker when I eat.
I've heard what has happened in Scotland, and while I sympathise with your situation, I'm aware of what you must be considering in sending French troops. I don't like it. Think about your allies in Scotland. Why should I stand by while you steal my son's army to run off with your Bourbon troops? Elizabeth is building a Protestant campaign to take over Scotland. France could be next. I don't believe her. I'm trying to save my
Well,
country. Country is all
well,
lost.
I know I did. Ooh.
With you. I understand that you.
I know I probably did bad for my first mukbang, but a mukbang. A mukbang. But I get full fast, so it's just like, oh well. But I will be doing more mukbangs, more challenges, more things, and y'all, why didn't y'all tell me my hair was on? Let me fix that. Boom. Wig on fleek. But y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Put down like different food ideas that y'all would want me to eat. I wouldn't mind eating them at all. But